Hey everybody, I just got done doing some work at the house. If you've been watching this channel, I've been taking on a lot of different projects. One is updating the new townhouse, and the second is updating my new truck, the 2017 Tacoma TRD off-road. So we got Taco, put 33s on there, and they've been rubbing. So I mean, obviously I was gonna get a lift kit anyways, but finally it's here. There we go, 50-pound box. I wish the Shock Surplus wouldn't use such an obvious box. It shows what it is, because I mean, you might get people that work for a certain delivery company that might like these and say that, oops, sorry, they lost. So let's open them up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Boom! There they are. Look at this beef old thing. Front coil oversprings. Big ol', right, 6112s or 5160s, I can't remember. 6112s, right? 6112s. They're personalized by, assembled by, that looks like sorry. Hopefully that's not sorry, hopefully that's sunny. But, woo, look at these big little things. It's like 25, probably 20, 25 pounds a piece. These things are super beefy, but these came pre-assembled, so you could pay an extra $100 for them to come pre-assembled. I have them on the 5th ring. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6, I think. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, see? So one, I believe, is for the right side and one's for the left side because of the taco lane. I hope that it says it in the package here. See, it's 6 and 5, right? So I do have a double cab, so it's a 2-inch lift. I also got a sway bar relocation icon kit, so we're gonna put that on too, just to help with any hopefully no hitting on the upper control arm onto the springs. Not gonna do a full installation. I'll do probably just like, you know, cut scenes, whatever here and there, just because time consuming to do that. And there's a lot more videos. I mean, there's a video by Shock Surplus just how to mount these on anyway, so probably best to watch who supplies these to see the step-by-step guide. Alright, cool. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Tacoma 2017 TRD off-road. Put 33s on here with no lift. So it has rubbing a little bit when I reverse. Probably you can see right here. I think it's where it might be rubbing. The control arms are fine. I would say, got about an inch. Yeah, about an inch. But I bought spacers. I'm gonna do a turn test. Okay, go ahead. Okay, the other way. Everybody gets the KO2s, but I actually got the regular Durtracks, and these are 285 by 75 or 16-inch rims. Because like me and my buddy were saying, it's better to have more meat on your tire than a 17-inch wheel and 33s on here. So I'm gonna turn straight right here. See the truck and hole? Looks way meaner than it did when I first got it. Okay boys, it's like 7:30 in the morning, sun's barely rising. We're out here. Gonna be putting on the Bilsteins, 6112s, 5160s. We gotta lift her up. We got it lifted up, and we're taking off with the OEM shocks and gonna put on some aftermarkets. keep you guys informed. Okay, so tires are off. I think next things we're doing is just taking off these 3 bolts up top, and then gotta take this bolt off right here, and then we're gonna try to drop the lower control arms completely off. So it should be this one bolt down here. Oh, you're taking off that bolt? This bar. This way.
Well, this one's not lubricated, so it didn't want to come off right. It's coming off now, so we're good.
Does this need to stay off though when we do the relocation kit for the sway bar?
Oh, we're gonna hook that back up before that. We're just doing this to hopefully get us a little bit of a lack of resistance on the fucking control arm, so it can drop as far as possible.
And this up, don't take it completely off, but they take it. Yeah, they're loosening cam bolts.
Okay, this one's a pusher. That's why we're doing this. Oh, gee. Yeah, I think that center one's got to come out unless it just slides through the bottom.
I think it slides.
Actually, it looks like it might.
We ran into an issue. We loosened up the cam bolts so we could drop this lower control arm. This aftermarket lower control arm plate, we don't have a socket or a wrench or anything to hold the grip onto that. So we could take these plates off. We need to take these plates off. I need to take this plate off because it's blocking right there from that cam bolt.
Is it coming?
Yep.
All right. Let me just keep going here. Sorry. I did the crescent wrench so tight it won't fit over the head of the bolt again.
We're good.
All right, you could drop it. I got it.
That was fun.
These fucking cam bolts off. 22 mil socket. We can, yeah. I mean that 14 mil. Yeah, what do you know?
Hold the other side?
No, this side's gonna drop out all on its own.
That one is just like fall out.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
That's what was holding it in.
Yeah.
Here, hold up. Let's do this in a rhythm. Let's take the shock out because the sway bar's already sitting on something. Put it straight down. Hold it. Hold it.
Put in back spacers on the taco. Put on some anti-seize, make sure it's flat and level. Then we're gonna Loctite.
Yeah.
And then just add like
these go in here where the old ones go, and then you use the stock ones on the same board. Spreads out, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you don't put a lot, and you do want these to come off. Oh, there's plenty, bro. You'll be plenty. Okay, see, what's the shit? Because they're hub centric. That's why these acorn nuts have this taper to them. It's because they're designed, once they go into the spacer, once they go inside of there, they center up on their own because they're tapered. Yeah.
Alright, everything's proper. 83 pounds per lug nut. So now we just put the tire backs on. There you go, and the star pattern. Make sure it's nice and flush. Should be all good. I'm gonna torque these down to 83, and that should be it. Stick out a little bit. That lines up perfectly. Good morning, everybody. Sun's barely rising. I'm on my way to take the truck, the Taco, over to 4x4 in Colorado to get a wheel alignment because of this. If you see the wheels, you can see how they're pigeon-toed. Definitely don't want to drive a truck like that for a long period of time. I'm also asking them to put on these wheel spacers, 1.5 inches. That I got from Rough Country a while ago. Thought I wasn't gonna ever need them, but now after putting on the lift, the upper control arms are really close to the wheel and tires. I just said. So, if you can see right there, I can't even get like my middle finger in there. Those look nice though, right? So I was trying to record most of the process when I was doing this, but my battery died on my GoPro, but it's looking really nice. He has a little bit of lean in the front. It still needs to settle. I haven't drove this since Saturday since we actually installed it. Also, when I ordered these online, these are the 5160s. They actually sent them 2 left ones instead of a left and right one, even though I ordered a left and right one. Even on the order screen it said that it canceled, and then they reordered it for me. So as you can see, here's one's facing, they should be both facing towards the back like that. What they did to the vehicle, this is the alignment now. I am not 100% sure what they mean. No. All I know is that everything is like, if you can see the toe on the left and the right wheel, how bad the alignment was off. 9 and 11 degrees, and now they're at 6 degrees. Everything is in alignment. I know though. Look at the 2-inch spacer though, how far now the control arm is. No, I definitely don't have to worry about any rubbing going on there. I feel some vibration when I'm still driving. I'm not sure if that's because of the sidewall. Maybe it was rubbing on the ground a lot more. Let's see what it looks like from the front now. It looks really nice. I really like that 2-inch, or actually I'm sorry, the 1.5 spacer. It's not really bulging out that bad. It's coming out the wheel well, inch and a half. The Taco's looking mean though. You can see that lean in the back. Like I said, that'll probably not look as drastic once it settles more. Doesn't really matter because we'll add a leaf here in the future, and that will give it the extra inch lift in the back. Okay, go the other way. Okay, go the other way. Okay, come back this way. But look at those control arms, how far that is now. Because of the 1.5 inch spacer for the wheel. Looks a lot better.